what benefits are we going to see from this?
So I would say the major benefit is being able to edit tabular model just based on text. So everything will be defined from tables to columns to measures. And then in that text file, you can just easily create a new measure, change a column type, etc. And it makes it a lot faster than before when you'd have to actually go into Power BI and do this, or go to Visual Studio and compare versions of a tabular model and add in whatever changes we're missing. So I would say the biggest benefit is just being able to quickly and efficiently go in and make any updates that you need to.
Yeah, that's great. And I think the way it's going to be set up is by object. So although there have been other attempts at version control, it's been serialized, and the objects folders that have been created to store the text hasn't been based like on a column or on a table. So it was split, but now it's being split by objects. So if you just want to edit one thing, you can go in there and edit it without messing up somebody else. And I think that's, for me, one of the huge parts.
For sure. Yeah, definitely a great benefit.